Turmeric manages microorganism growth on the skin, helping ward off acne-causing acne bacteria, and prevents other infections from spreading. It also contains powerful antioxidant properties, balances sebum secretion, and helps clean out pores. Today's video will discuss the miracle ingredient promising clear, smooth skin. How do I make a turmeric mask? There are a lot of different recipes, but for the most part, turmeric, raw honey and milk or yogurt form the basis of a DIY mask. You can also find turmeric supplements TurmeriX, to help build face mask formulas. Here are a few different potions you can mix up in your kitchen, each with a focus on different results. For each of them, just mix all ingredients together in a small bowl, to a smooth paste. Being careful to avoid the eyes, apply a thin layer over the face. Tip: use a clean foundation brush to avoid staining fingers. Leave for 10 to 20 minutes, then wash off gently with either warm water, or using an oil cleanser. Gently pat dry with a towel. A good basic mask. 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, 1/4 of a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon raw honey. For a serious glow up, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon organic apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of organic, raw, local honey, half a tablespoon milk or yogurt, 1 drop lemon essential oil or fresh lemon juice for additional skin brightening, optional. To bust breakouts, 2 tablespoons flour, regular flour, rice flour, or ground oats. If skin is dry, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons plain yogurt or milk, half a teaspoon honey. Manuka is especially good to fight acne. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comment section below.